I personally use microcontrollers a lot in my projects. Whether to drive an RC rover or to fade an LED, microcontrollers are used everywhere. But what are microcontrollers and how do they work? You can obviously Google it yourselves, but in short, we can say a microcontroller is a fully functional computer, just way less powerful. But we can still make it do some amazing work. Now, a little detail about Arduino. Arduino is an organization which simplifies the use of microcontrollers without difficulties for enthusiasts. They take a microcontroller chip, a compatible programmer, and they make a board around it. So, using these microcontrollers is just plug and play for the users. Now, to make the microcontroller to do any significant work, we have to program it with instructions telling it what to do. Generally, for microcontrollers, the programming language is assembly language. However, in Arduino board, the microcontroller comes with a different bootloader which enables us to write code in C language in order to program the chip. We also have a program for that purpose, the Arduino IDE. To download it, just go to the Arduino website and download the latest version for your platform. Then wait for it to be downloaded. After it is downloaded, run the setup. Don't forget to keep all the boxes checked and install the program. After it is installed, open the program and you will get this blank space in front of you. The void setup and void loop, which you can see here, are functions in the C++ language. So that means whatever code you put in the setup function, the microcontroller will run that code only once at startup, whereas the code in void loop will be executed over and over again. For starters, I would recommend going into the examples menu and inside the basics folder. Learn a few simple codes to get started. For example, this blink code, which is nothing but making an LED turn on and off with a delay in between. Now about the board. There are many different types of Arduino boards in the market, but to get started, I would recommend the Arduino Uno board. You would also require a USB-A to USB-B cable to program the board. First, plug in the Uno board to your PC. Now to program a board, you need to follow some instructions. First, make sure the correct board is selected in the tools menu, then click upload. You can see some lights flashing and the board will be programmed. For people who don't have access to a PC or a laptop, Arduino is also available for Android. All you will need is an Android phone compatible with USB OTG, an OTG cable or a hub, and the Arduino. Now to download the software, go to Play Store, search Arduino Droid and download the application. Once downloaded, open it and you can see a similar working space. Once again, for starters, go to examples and get used to the C++ language. It has all the examples which the Windows version have. Just select the board type in settings, then compile the code and upload. The Arduino will be programmed just like programming from Windows. I hope you learned something from this video. If you liked it, then do press the like button, subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you won't miss any updates.